Hello, welcome to another one of my Minecraft tutorials. Today I will be showing you how to make a clay form. Now, sadly, this clay form cannot be automated. I have tried and it didn't go awfully as well as I thought it would. But let's hope it works this time. So when you start off, you want 64, at least a stack worth of mud. At least a stack of dripstone, and you also, I'm just going to be using this to place any blocks in case I accidentally knock them out. The dirt, you don't have to use dirt, but you can use any block. It's just as long as it's any form of filler block, you can keep the dripstone on. You need at least a stack worth, but I have not showed it in this video. So first you want to dig out a 8x8 pit. Covering the pit right here. Now, normally during survival, you would see a lot of monsters spawning in. Since I don't have it on survival and I have it on peaceful mode creative right now, that won't be a really big problem. But make sure to torch up your build. Oh, and another thing, I just realized, don't put your torches elevated on the walls. Otherwise, they will interfere with your build. So, next thing you want to do is start placing dripstone, lining the walls with it. Now, I probably should be, should have dug this pit out, probably another block to be able to walk in after I've already placed the dripstone, which I will do right now. You should probably do this ahead of time just in case you truly need them. So just fill up the rest of the ceiling. Probably cut the next part of the video, which just concludes me putting dripstone on the ceiling because it's not really necessary. Just checking to make sure I got them in properly. Alright, seems I did. So now what you want to do is create somewhat of a staircase. Since I'm in the desert as of right now, it appears to be making a staircase for me. Then now you have your entrance. What you now want to do is start placing clay all over your build. Again, I will probably skip this part of the video. And as you can see, it is already starting to transform into clay. And it's starting to happen fast, although the speed of the dripping may vary very dependingly. For example, this one right here is dripping very slowly. The faster it drips, the more likely it will be to start transforming into clay. Not all of them transform at the same speed though. So probably within about half an hour, the entire build, the entire area of the clay will be ready to harvest. Anyway, that is it for my tutorial today, and have a good one. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.